So in order to get these photos with a white background, I'm using another softbox on the other side. In just a second, something that I really have to manage is the power of the flash, because obviously if this flash is on full power, if I'm shooting from here, because this flash is closer to a subject, will overpower the main flashes on the camera. You want the softbox positioned pretty much like this, such as the middle of the surface is in this area, and I'm shooting as much as lateral from here. Of course, my first reaction is to put the ISO down from 200 to 100 because there is a lot of light. The face is basically surrounded by flashes. So ISO 100, f29, full power of the flashes, closed angle, and this is 1/2. Let's give it a try first. I'm shooting as lateral as I can, or depending on the effect that you want to obtain. So this is a beautiful photo already. If you feel that there is too much light coming from here, I can just decrease the power of this flash to 1/4. But in general, the settings are okay. Try to keep it such as the middle of the softbox is at the level of your lips. Okay, so how about taking those artistic photos with white background, this time using the Fixlite ring setup. This is quite impossible with the ring flash. You cannot have another ring flash on the other side, but you can do something else. You can have a speed light. And I'm using a speed light. It can be any brand, really doesn't matter, because I'm using the speed light in slave mode. So if I press here, it will move from S1 to S2. What's the meaning of that? The flash is in the slave mode, meaning that it will be triggered by any other flash in the room. So I can shoot with any flash, regardless if it's a ring flash, with Fixlite ring, with a twin flash. Any flash in the room will activate this flash. Alright, so let's try with this flash on 1/8. So 1/8 of the power. This is full power. I'm in f25, ISO 100. Let's see what's happening, yeah? So keep it like that. Alright, big smile. Okay, I'm underexposed. But see what's happening. I'm underexposed, but I have like enough light from here, not enough light from here. So if I compensate with something, let's say I'm increasing the ISO to 200, I need to lower the power of this flash, because if I increase the ISO from here, from this side I will be okay, but I will have too much light from the other side. So let's try to set it on 1/16. Let's do that. Can you do it for me? She's a photographer, so she knows. All right, so 1/16, this is still full power. Let's increase the ISO from 100 at least to 160. Let's see what's happening. I feel it's underexposed a bit. Let me check the graphic. Yeah, slightly under. You know what, let's go ISO 200. Yeah, perfectly exposed and a beautiful photo. So this is a nice solution when you shoot with a Fixlite ring or just with a ring flash alone, to obtain these photos with a white background using a third softbox with a speed light that's set in the slave mode. So this is a style of photos that I really like, because this white area allows me to place a lot of other elements in the composition of the photo, gives me a lot of freedom to create nice final footage. Not to mention the nice effect. Look at the texture of the lips, look how the light is reflected on the teeth, on the gums. So indeed, this is a beautiful style of shooting.